Hello everybody, and welcome to another dev update for Color Jumper. I have been working very hard on this game over the past week or so to kind of finish up all of the little nitpicks that I had, and I'm really pleased with how the game looks right now, and it's very close to being completed as far as the demo version is concerned. So I'm gonna just kind of show you what I've done over the past little bit, and yeah. So first thing you'll see is that I do have tracking now for both time to complete level and number of rotations in each level. This was actually, the rotations was a super genius idea that was given to me by a live playtest over at Glitch MN. Those guys are pretty awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to erase all of my settings here, and I'll start at the beginning. So when you start the game, this is what you see. You're locked out of every level except for one. You can turn on and off colorblind mode, you can look at the credits, and that's about it. So for those unfamiliar with Color Jumper, it is a platformer, not unlike Super Meat Boy or some of the other games out there. And you platform, you try to get to the goal. That's pretty basic. But the twist, as the title says up there, the twist is that you fall through platforms that you don't have a matching color with. And every time you jump, you rotate clockwise by 90 degrees. So that leads to some very interesting mechanics. And then I added screen shake like 10 seconds ago, which was pretty cool. So it leads to some very fun platforming. And it's been a lot of fun making this game over the past. I started back in probably December or November of last year, and it makes me really happy that that things are going well. I finished the music and sound effects over the past day or so, and now they're all temporary, but they're finished to a point where I'm happy with them now. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this game and all the work that's gone into it. It's been a lot of fun working on it, and I'm very excited to show this game to other people. So the last devlog I did was only probably 10 levels. I think I ended it here. Oh, these actually work now. Yeah. They don't do anything, but they work. So the last devlog I did, I ended it here because I only had 10 levels, but now I have 15 levels. Oops. Or I'm gonna go through 15 levels or so just to show off some of the other features and mechanics. I have enemies now. I jumped before I hit the enemy, which is why I died there, which was dumb of me. There we go. Ugh. Yeah, I'm not super good at my games sometimes. I love games like Super Meat Boy, and I got a lot of inspiration from that game. So yeah, and I really like all the weird mechanics that you can do, like being able to hit enemies from underneath, and this particular jump is a lot of fun. And yeah, I learned a ton while playing this game and while making this game, and it's been a journey, for lack of a better term. And yeah, you can see I do okay with my stats. I do need to go back and refine these a little bit just to make sure that I'm not making some of the levels incredibly difficult. But yeah, I mean, I really just wanted to give a video and just a basic update of where Color Jumper is right now. I would expect a demo on itch.io. The demo will be all 30 levels that are available right now. I would expect a demo on itch.io in a couple weeks. I'm also planning on starting a greenlight campaign to get this on Steam, and this is just the demo. I should mention that, and I actually might go and add like demo or something onto the logo just so people understand it. I do plan on continuing development on this game. There's going to be probably, well, let's just go back to the beginning here. There's going to be 70 more levels, more music and improved sound effects. I'm planning boss fights. I have 4 boss fights planned, which are basically just maneuvering yourself in such a way to hit a certain enemy 4 times, and the mechanics are going to be different. Like he might shoot projectiles, or he might shoot like black boxes or whatever at you. Some more graphic polish. I know the background on smaller levels like this looks kind of plain, so it's something that I'm planning on doing is creating a little bit more polish for the backgrounds to make things look more interesting. And another big thing that I wanted to do is all those collectibles that I have hidden throughout the game. The analogous would be like Band-Aids in Super Meat Boy. Those collectibles would unlock challenge levels at the end of the game. And then finally I wanted to add a speedrun mode, so it wouldn't have this up here, it would just have a timer, and that timer would go throughout the entire game, and then it would also track your deaths as well. And of course, like achievements and cards and all that other stuff that come with a Steam Greenlight release. So yeah, my name is Ben Burns, and if you wanted to talk to me about this game or if you have questions about it, feel free to get in touch with me on Twitter. My Twitter account's right down here at Ben_Burns. That's BURNES. I would absolutely love to talk to you or talk with you about this game or anything else you have in mind. And I am really looking forward to allowing other people to play this game and getting some more feedback on how to improve it. I've had a ton of fun making this so far, and I can't wait to have other people try it out. So we're just hit 100 seconds here, so I think I'm gonna sign off for now, but thank you so much for watching this video. And if you want to get more updates on the things that I do, specifically Color Jumper related or game dev related, oops, I clicked off, then I would suggest liking and subscribing to my channel, because I am going to be posting a lot of this stuff in the future. And game development is something that I really, really want to get into more. And this is kind of my first step. So I hope that you join me on my journey, or whatever you want to say to that regard. So again, this is Color Jumper, and I really, really appreciate you watching this video, and I look forward to having you play it soon. Take care.